Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. So guys, we are a truck dealer on the very eastern side of the state of Iowa in an area they call the Quad Cities. Our store is located on Highway 67 and just 2 short miles off of Interstate 80. So guys, we are very easy to get to and well worth the trip from anywhere to see this amazing truck right here. Guys, this is just came in 2024. Yes, 2024. It's only not even 2 years old yet. Chevrolet Silverado 2500 3/4 ton. It is a crew cab short bed and it is absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. So one owner truck's got 73,000 miles on it, so that means it's going to come to you with the balance of the 100,000 mile warranty from GM. This truck right here, guys, I'm going to point some stuff out. This thing is really well optioned. It's going to come to you with the Duramax diesel, nothing about the best, Allison transmission. It's 4-wheel drive, and it's got a lot of other stuff. So we're going to go around it. Here's what's cool about this one. This has got the blackout package. So the grill is blacked out, and so are the bumpers, the hood scoop, and with this gunmetal gray and all the black trim, there's no chrome, so it really pops. Man, it looks cool. So let me give you the walk around, guys. So got these really nice 20-inch wheels, and I love the way those are kind of a two-tone that actually match the truck. Goodyear Wrangler tires, about 50% left on those. This one has the full tow package, including power fold mirrors that also power extend. So it's got that package. It has also in the bed, and I will show you this too, the factory gooseneck. Now this one's all been tinted out. We got tint all the way on the side and across the top. Really gives it a cool, slick look. I think this truck has a little level kit on it because it sure sits up nice. Looks great. Real nice black tubes. Got that step right there in case you want to get into the bed, you can. Again, super clean. This is a one-owner truck, guys. You can see on the underside there. No rust or anything like that. It is a 24, so it shouldn't. Again, we got the blacked out package with the black rear bumper, factory heavy duty tow package right there. This one has a backup camera, also has backup sensors, soft open tailgate. Again, spray and bed liner from factory. There's your puck system with for a gooseneck ball. Already has the wiring all set up, both sides ready to go. That's actually a plug in there. That's pretty cool. Bed cover, guys, is very nice. Keep your stuff clean and dry. It is running right now. That Duramax runs like a champ. Again, it's got full factory warranty all the way up to 100,000 miles on that engine. This one also has blind spot monitor, adaptive cruise control. So guys, check out the inside. This is really nice. So it is a bench seat with a center console that comes down. That all opens up. Lots of storage in there. Again, this one comes with a big radio display, backup camera. Also comes with trailer brake controller. There's your exhaust brake. There's your lane interruption, power gate, tailgate pops down. I got the books. Got 2 sets of keys, guys, right here. And it does have remote start and remote tailgate. You look over there, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive on the left side, 73,000 miles. Just a nice rig. Factory floor mats. Another set in the back, very clean. It's a nice truck, guys. Again, this is a 2024. You can see this side just like new too. 2024, 74,000 or 73,000 miles. I'm sorry. Is just getting started on this truck. You're going to buy it with some factory warranty remaining. Again, it's got the nice alloy wheels, the step tubes, the bed cover, spray and bed liner, both tow packages, the bumper tow style and the gooseneck inside, the blacked out package, tinted glass. I don't know how you go wrong with this, guys. So we're gonna price this thing at $49,995, under 50 grand for a Duramax diesel loaded with options, all the tow package, power fold mirrors, tinted glass, blacked out package, 73,000 miles, factory warranty for under 50 grand. It's a deal. It's a nice truck for that, guys. Go to our website. I got a bunch of pictures of it as well. tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. Guys, we can help you on financing. We can ship this anywhere in the country for you. We have extended warranties. Anything you need, guys, we can do it for you. Hey, and the other thing, we give top dollar for trades. So you got a nice truck that you want to trade on this truck, give us a holler, guys. 563-424-2000. Till next time, have a good one.